Hi there, welcome to my video. In this video we're going to put together the May 2025 card of the month. So let's get into it. I cut my matting piece from hollow foil, and then I got black glitter, and then a printed paper, and then a printed clip art on a circle, and the sentiment with glitter, black gel glitter gel. I don't think you can see it. There it goes. Okay, the design space file is 100% free to cut. It's available in the group I help admin, Cricut, Explore, Maker, and more. I'll link to that below in the description box below. Okay, so I'm going to glue the glitter onto the hollow foil. Make sure you got enough glue when you're gluing like a heavy paper to a not so heavy paper. The hollow foil is not as heavy as this glitter paper, so make sure you got enough glue to hold it onto there. Okay, try not to get glue smears. Alright, I think that looks good. I'm going to use my Cricut brayer to help get a good adhesion. I think I accidentally moved it a little with the brayer. There. Or maybe I didn't have it, completely centered. Okay, so this, one thing about the Cricut glitter paper is, I don't know, I can't remember if you can glue onto it or do I have to use double-sided tape. I'll use double-sided tape just to be sure. Alright, now I need a pair of scissors. These are my scissors. I like them. They're We Are Memory Keepers. They're kind of like the Fiskars ones, if you know what those are. Instead of you squeeze, it's much easier on the hand. Whoops. Move that out the way. I'm not going to put a lot of tape on it. I mean, it's just a thin piece of paper. It doesn't need a lot. Alright, that should be good. I move this stuff out the way. Then, like when you're done with the scissors, you squeeze them and you push this up and it closes them. Alright, let me peel the backings off. Some glues do hold to the glitter, and I'm pretty sure Barely Art does, but I can't get enough out because my hands are weak. I don't squeeze hard enough. So I'm just going to do it for some way that I can do it. that I know it will stay. Gotta go down some more. Here, let me put it back in the frame. I think that's good. Oops, don't glue the cat down to it. Okay, so now we have hollow foil and glitter. And then we have the cat. So the cat goes wherever you want to go on top. But I had mine centered on my Design Space canvas. And I'm going in to add a little dimension. I'm going to use adhesive foam dots. I'm going to try not to take forever with them, peeling the backs off. So I'm not going to put as many on. Don't really need that many because this is like a cardboard, not cardboard. What is it called? Cardstock. This is like a thin cardstock. It's 49-pound cardstock. So oh, I'm looking for the sentiment. Put it right there. Okay, now I'm going to try to center it. Alright. There we go. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Because the way I got mine in Design Space, my setup, is that it's attached to the circle just above, just below the paws. Whoops, a little crooked. Let's see, how's that look? Oh, I just smeared it. Oh well. Alright, so that's the card. It's easy to assemble, it's fast and quick once you got your papers picked. Attach it to its card base. The Design Space file is only for the card front, not for the card base, because I cut my card bases with a paper trimmer, because you get two card bases from one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper when you cut it in half, either horizontally or vertically. I like top folding cards. So this is how I do it. Put my cards on the card base. Alright. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to use my brayer to get good adhesion again. I mean, it should get good anyway, but I just like to make sure. So there's the card. Another birthday. I'll link the clip art I used from Creative Fabrica in the description box below. The link to the Facebook group I'm an admin, Cricut Explorer Maker and more. And I think that's all I'll link down below. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.